2016 Dodge Charger Hemi. Beautiful car. We just did MagnaPacks setup. Everything else is stock. There's the stock converters into a stock X-Pipe. There's the MagnaPacks. If you guys haven't heard of those, they're one of my favorite sounding exhaust options on these vehicles. If you have a family, these actually fit really well. And we took the resonators off and just did the MagnaPacks. There they are. And this one comes with the tips built into the bumpers. So there's the resonator delete. And there's the MagnaPacks with an X-Pipe. It's an RT Hemi 5.7 liter. I love the black color on that.
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, genopure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.